Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by drawing two parallel number lines and aligning the zeros and the 100 mark so positions match. Place the actual quantity on the top line, then locate its proportional spot on the bottom percent line. This creates a visual ratio. Once done, mark that point and note its percent value. This gives the first anchor for conversions. Make sure to use equal spacing, so distances on both lines represent equivalent ratios. This prevents scale errors later when you interpolate. You now interpolate between anchors by dividing the distance proportionally and mapping it to percent. Measure the distance from 0 to your known top value, divide by the total, multiply by 100, and place that percent on the bottom line. This is why the double number line works. Distance equals ratio. Once done, use that mapped point to find other values. Slide horizontally to the top line, read off the corresponding quantity, and verify with a quick calculation to ensure consistency. You finish by using horizontal projection. Pick a percent on the bottom, draw up to the top, and read the converted value or go down to get the percent for a value. Explain why checking matters. Compute percent times whole divided by 100 or value times 100 divided by whole to confirm the visual result. If things go wrong, recheck alignment of 0 and 100. Misaligned endpoints make proportional distances incorrect. Finally, adjust spacing carefully and remeasure to fix persistent discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.